Good morning, students. Today I am with you for representing one important chapter of entrepreneurship subject, and name of that chapter enterprise marketing. It is given in unit 3, and obviously very important chapter for the coming examination. So, for your information, it is necessary to say that entrepreneurship is a process and enterprise is the outcome of that process. Now, what is the meaning of that enterprise marketing? If we think, it can easily be understood that marketing is the ultimate booster for survival, growth and profit of every enterprise. If you do not believe, then it will be a null and void concept from the part of your mindset, because marketing activities, we will have to read it in business studies also. Generally, it is started before the production, ended with after sales services. So it has wide concept, important concept, and every enterprise depends on it, and on the basis of these activities, enterprise will get sustainable competitive advantage, because we know it very well that in every business activities there must be a competition required to be faced. So without competition, we cannot think regarding the establishment of any business. So from that standpoint, if in the competition as entrepreneur we want to exist in the market, then the strong, effective and efficient marketing activities should be taken with utmost care for getting sustainable competitive advantage. So first of all, in enterprise marketing, we will have to learn marketing strategy. We will have to learn what is marketing strategy. For your information, it is given in management, in planning chapter, that strategy is one type of plan. So as a marketing manager or as an entrepreneur, we will have to draw the marketing strategy with respect to our enterprise, with respect with the nature of our enterprise, corresponding to the nature of our enterprise, marketing strategy is required to be prepared. So what is marketing strategy? Because if strategically entrepreneur is going wrong, then ultimately it will not be feasible to stay back in the market in the long run. So what is marketing strategy? It is a process, obviously it is a process through which organization is concentrating on its resources, depends upon the opportunities in the society for achieving the objective and ultimate objective, final objective, increasing the sale. So it is a process through which organization is allowed, with respect to its resources, concentrating, depending upon its resources for achieving the objectives of increasing sale. So with the process, the sale will be increased, turnover will be increased, and the name of that process is marketing strategies. Obviously, with due consideration of opportunities existing in the society. Now, what is the objective of marketing strategy? The same objective lies here also. Sustainable competitive advantage. What is the meaning of the word sustainable? We know it very well that each and every company wants to diversify itself. If you take the example of ITC, started its business with tobacco. Now ITC diversified itself. ITC now in FMCG sector. ITC is now in hotel tourism business. Because and each and every sector, each and every division, ITC formulate the marketing strategy for getting everlasting, that is sustainable competitive advantage. Because ITC knows it very well that in every market, in every business, there is a competition, and that is the risk. So if we want to get the sustainable competitive advantage, then obviously effective and efficient marketing strategies are required to be formulated, required to be evaluated, and required to be selected. So in this case also, in marketing strategy, formulation is required after proper evaluation, and after evaluation, selection of marketing strategy is very much required. So there is a formulation, evaluation, and selection part. So this is the overall views of this. In the next class, we will discuss about another important component very much correlated with marketing strategy, that is marketing mix. Thank you.